Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying firmware and Gorilla Tag version. This fixes many obscure desyncs. Next, close all background apps and reboot the headset. This frees memory and resets network stacks. While rebooting, check your wireless band. Use 5 GHz when possible and position yourself within 2 to 3 meters of the router for lower latency. Also, disable downloads and streaming on nearby devices so packets stop competing. Once done, you'll have a clean baseline for deeper tuning. You now change performance settings to reduce stutter. Drop the in-game graphics scale and lock the frame rate to 72 or 80 FPS. This stabilizes frame timing. Enable asynchronous reprojection, ASWA or ATWA, if your headset supports it, and set motion smoothing conservatively to prevent judder. Lower render resolution or choose a 90 to 120% range to ease GPU strain. Make each change, then test a short game session. This iterative approach shows which setting gave the biggest improvement. Finish by optimizing your network and performing final cleanups. If possible, use a wired hotspot or ensure your 5 GHz uses channels like 36 to 48 to avoid crowded bands. Wired is best for minimal packet loss. If lag persists after testing settings, backup configs and consider a factory reset, then reinstall the game. This wipes corrupted caches. Finally, run a ping and packet loss check. If you see consistent loss, switch servers or report logs to developers for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.